Chinese leader Xi Jinping, who now stands alongside Chairman Mao in the pantheon of the country's iconic leaders.
Chinese media is also boosting coverage of the big parade next week, right, where the military is set to showcase its anti-ship missiles, combat drones, and nuclear-capable ballistic missiles.
同志们好。
A lot happened at the National Day Parade in China in September 2025. Some call it the biggest military parade in history, although that title might be a stretch. But what caught the world's attention were the unveiled hypersonic systems, the stealth aircraft, robotic machines, and unmanned vessels. Why were these systems paraded, and what is their significance? Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest news and insights on China's hypersonic weapons development. As we look back at the parade and analyze the systems displayed, we'll try to answer why China unveiled hypersonic systems at the National Day Parade. What does it mean for China's military modernization efforts? And how should the international community respond to these developments? Let's get started. Now, on September 3rd, 2025, Beijing unveiled something extraordinary along Tiananmen Square. What followed was a lineup of advanced technology that looked like it belonged to the future, not the present. Hypersonic systems, stealth aircraft, robotic machines, and unmanned vessels appeared in public for the very first time. Many never even been glimpsed in satellite leaks. Along with all of these technologies, a huge crowd gathered, waving national flags and holding up banners with patriotic messages. The parade seemed to reveal a message of strength and unity. The timing of the parade on the 70th anniversary of the founding, the People's Republic of China added another layer of symbolism to the event. The parade began with a grand march of veterans representing different eras of China's military history. This was followed by a display of China's nuclear capabilities, including intercontinental ballistic missiles, submarines, and nuclear-powered attack aircraft carriers. The parade then shifted to a showcase of advanced conventional weapons, including hypersonic missiles, unmanned aerial vehicles, electronic warfare systems, and cyber warfare capabilities. The highlight of the parade was the display of China's hypersonic weapons, which have been the subject of intense international scrutiny. These weapons, including the DF-17 and YJ-20 missiles, have raised concerns about their speed and accuracy, as well as their potential to undermine existing missile defense systems. China has defended its development of hypersonic weapons as a measure to maintain national security and urged other countries to view them as normal military activities. However, the United States and its allies have expressed concerns about the potential threat posed by these weapons and have called on China to exercise restraint in their development and deployment. Despite the controversy surrounding its hypersonic weapons, China has continued to invest heavily in its research and development. In fact, the country has set a goal of becoming the world leader in hypersonic technology by 2030. The parade serves as a reminder of China's commitment to achieving this goal and its willingness to showcase its capabilities to the world. The parade also featured a display of China's space and cyber capabilities, as well as its efforts in counterterrorism and peacekeeping operations. Overall, the event was a show of force intended to demonstrate the strength and capabilities of the Chinese military. While some have criticized the parade as a symbol of Chinese aggression and militarization, others see it as a necessary measure for a country that has faced decades of foreign aggression and is now rising as a major global power. Whatever the perspective, the parade undoubtedly showcases the progress that China has made in developing advanced military technologies. One of the key reasons for the unveiling of these systems was to send a message to the international community. China's hypersonic weapons development has raised concerns among its neighbors and the United States regarding its intentions and capabilities. By openly displaying these advanced weapon systems, China aims to demonstrate its growing military prowess and deter potential threats. Additionally, the parade served as a platform to boost domestic morale and national pride. Showcasing indigenously developed military technologies helps foster a sense of patriotism and unity among the Chinese population. It highlights the country's remarkable progress in science and technology, particularly in the field of advanced weaponry. Moreover, the parade presented an opportunity for China to demonstrate its commitment to peaceful development while also emphasizing its national rejuvenation. The parade also had a significant international dimension. World leaders, including Russian President Vladimir Putin, were in attendance, signifying the event's global importance. It provided a chance for diplomatic engagement and promoted cooperation in various fields, including military technology. The participation of foreign dignitaries underscores China's growing influence on the world stage. While the parade aimed to project strength and unity, there is a concern that it may contribute to an arms race in the region. As neighboring countries perceive China's military advancements, they might feel compelled to enhance their own defense capabilities to keep pace, potentially leading to a cycle of military buildup. This could destabilize regional security and divert resources away from economic development. Furthermore, the parade's emphasis on advanced weaponry, including hypersonic missiles and cyber warfare capabilities, raises concerns about the potential for conflict and the erosion of global stability. Such displays can heighten tensions and contribute to a climate of mistrust among nations. The unveiling of hypersonic systems at the parade signifies a significant step in China's military modernization efforts. These advanced weapon systems demonstrate China's growing technological capabilities and strategic ambitions. China has invested heavily in hypersonic research and development, aiming to achieve world leadership by 2030. The display of hypersonic missiles during the parade showcases China's progress in this field, serves as a reminder of its commitment to this strategic priority. Hypersonic technology enables weapons to travel at speeds exceeding Mach 5, posing significant challenges to existing defense systems. China's advancements in this area have raised both domestic and international interest. Some view it as a necessary defense measure, while others express concerns about the potential risks and implications for regional stability. The parade also highlighted the importance of unmanned systems in China's military strategy. The showcase of drones, robotic vehicles, and other unmanned platforms demonstrates China's recognition of their growing significance in modern warfare. These systems offer greater flexibility, precision, and reduced risk to human operators. China's investments in unmanned systems are focused on enhancing various aspects of its military capabilities, including intelligence gathering, surveillance, and strike capabilities. As technology continues to advance, China's unmanned systems are likely to play an increasingly important role in its overall military strategy. The display of military might and advanced technology, the parade is a testament to China's growing military capabilities and its rise as a major global player. The parade's impact extends beyond the realm of military technology. It reflects China's efforts to promote national unity, stability, and peaceful development. While there are concerns about the parade's potential to contribute to an arms race and heightened tensions, it also offers a platform for diplomatic engagement and international cooperation. The global response to the parade has been mixed, with some countries expressing concerns about China's military buildup, while others view it as a natural progression for a major world power. In conclusion, China's National Day Parade serves as a platform to showcase the country's military advancements, including its hypersonic systems, unmanned technologies, and overall military might. The parade aims to send a message to the international community, boost domestic morale, and demonstrate China's commitment to peaceful development. While China emphasizes its peaceful intentions, concerns remain regarding the potential for an arms race and heightened tensions in the region. The global response to the parade highlights the mixed perceptions of China's growing military capabilities. While China emphasizes its peaceful intentions, it marks the nation's progress and its emergence as a major player on the world stage. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about China's hypersonic weapons, check out our other videos on the topic and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.